Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 15th day of October 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room by myself and others as well. So here we go. The setup is the same as we do a lot of days. We use our strong candle indicator. We've cleared a bunch of brick walls. So now we just look for the little bit of the retrace, which we've gotten, stick our order on the body of the candle and see how we go. Now, this is kind of interesting, so we'll sit here and watch it. The PVI is really high, so I expect the next candles to be anywhere between 100 and 150 ticks in length. So we're going to use a little bit larger ATM. We're going to go for 20 tick first targets, then 40 and 80 tick runners, and see how we go. So this is how the trade went down in the room today. So we've already had a little bit of a retrace, put the order on, run it. Okay, first of all, we put our stop where it belongs and wait for our first target to be taken out. Once our first target's out, we'll de-risk the trade completely and see how we go. That we can, all targets have been pitched out. I mean, all contracts have been picked up. So we're going to go ahead and speed it up just a tad. Nice push retrace off the last brick wall. Normally we wait for that push retrace before we put our order on, but doesn't really matter at this point. Now we're going for a little bit larger targets. So this is going to take a couple of candles to complete. Now notice when the first target gets hit, what happens to the stop loss. Okay, target fills. Now, if this market comes back and takes me out here, I have to be ready with another order. All right, break even. I'm at a break even point right here. If it comes and takes me out of break even, I can put another order on and restart the trade. Okay, now that's exactly what happens. So I got to restart the trade over again to go through the same process, move the stop where it belongs. There's no reason to get out of the trade. First target's out. I'm de-risked again. Second target's out now. It just took a couple of candles to get going. So that's why we do the ATMs the way we do them. And that's an 80 tick target at the top there. That's a pretty nice target. And there we go. Boom. That trade took over two candles, took less than 7 minutes to complete, and was worth 835 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 835 US dollars in 7 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. So that's samuraidaytrading.com, the only place you can find the strong candle indicators, which really will help improve your trading dramatically. So that does it for today. God bless you. We look forward to next time. Take care. Have a great day.